Let's solve the system of equations. So we'll have this one, the first one, that's our first equation, and this is our second equation. Since we have two equations and two variables, an x and a y, we can solve for the unknowns. So let's start with the first one. 2x plus y is equal to 1. We're going to subtract 2y on both sides. And we get x is equal to 1 minus 2y. And we're going to use this to substitute 1 minus 2y into x right here on the second equation. So here we have 1 minus 2y squared plus 4y squared is equal to 25. And let's multiply this out. This is going to equal to, I'm going to distribute, use a distributive property. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times negative 2y is minus 2y. I'm going to do this I'm going to do this again. Minus 2y plus 4y squared. Now, let's rewrite this this equation right here. This becomes 1 minus 4y plus 4y squared, and then plus 4y squared is equal to 25. And let's simplify this. Minus 4y plus 8y squared minus 25 is equal to 0. And we're going to rewrite this. 8y squared minus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. And if you notice, 8, 4, and 24 are all divisible by 4. So let's do that. We can divide the left by 4 and the right by 4. This becomes 2y squared minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. And we're going to factor this out. The factor for 2 is just 2y and 1y. The factor for 6 is 2 and 3, or 6 and 1. And what we need is, since this is negative 6, we're going to have a plus and a minus, and the negative y, which means the negative value will be the larger one. And so basically what we have is 2y plus 3, y minus 2. Here we'll have 3y plus negative 4y. That will give us negative y. And positive 3 and negative 2 is equal to negative 6. And so this becomes quite easy to solve. Y minus 2, so y is going to equal to 2, or y is equal to negative 3 divided by 2. And now let's plug these numbers back into the first equation to solve for x. So when y is equal to 2, the second equation becomes 2 times 2 plus x is equal to 1. And now what do we have? X is going to equal to negative 3. When y is equal to negative 3 halves, 2 times negative 3 halves plus x is equal to 1. This will cancel itself out, and x is equal to 4. And so here are our answers. When y is equal to 2, normally we write x comma y, so we have negative 3 comma 2. And our second answer is 4, negative 3 comma 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching.